special commands, but let's keep going down until we find something that's obviously useful. There's a lot that we can do with this datetime module. Today looks promising. Okay, so let's try that. So let's try, and that was, remember we had, dir had a datetime print. So let's try print datetime.datetime.now. And just like for print, we always need to have some parentheses. For this datetime now, we also need to have parentheses after. I got rid of that help statement since we don't really need it anymore. Okay, and so we did get today's date, but we got some dashes, whereas I wrote slashes here.